How to style your hair to get a masculine hairstyle. So currently my hair is a bit messy. I've got a couple of flyaways. So the first thing I like to do is to brush it off, make sure that I distribute it evenly and get rid of the most uncomfortable and most unpleasant part of the hairstyle, and that's just to get rid of all of the messiness. So after I do this, I move on to the next product, which is the Organic Potion Sea Salt Spray. So a couple of sprays in my hair, there we go. And this one has a coconut scent, so it smells really nice. To follow it up, I like to use my fingers like this, make sure that the sea salt spray is distributed evenly. And the next part is to make sure your hair stays intact all day long. So there's a couple of products you can use. You can use a paste, you can use a pomade, or you can even use a texture styling cream, but it really depends on your hairstyle and what kind of end look you want. Do you want more shine? Do you want more hold? This is something you need to ask for yourself. But today I'm going for the Piet & Pedro hair thickening cream. So let me get it out of it. There we go. And in terms of this cream, it actually provides more thickness and fullness, especially to thinning hair. So obviously I don't have thinning hair, but even then, if I use this cream for my hair, it still makes sure that it looks really thick. And I think that's pretty cool. So all I do is use my fingers like this. And that's pretty much it. Now I've got a masculine slick back look. And if you're someone that wants less of a masculine look, obviously get yourself a fade. But if you're someone that doesn't have a fade, you can still look really good if you're someone that pulls this hairstyle off by fully getting your hair all the way to the back. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you have any sort of questions or if you want me to style a different hairstyle, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.